Hidden away on the remote north coast of Scotland is the delightful Durness Golf Club. A wonderful 9-hole links course. The drive to Durness is an adventure in itself. To get to this remote area of Scotland, you drive along narrow one-way roads where passing places every few hundred metres allow oncoming traffic to safely pass.
Through, and then it's our turn.
The sheep wander freely as the road meanders around lochs, through valleys and past castle ruins. The journey ends with a winding coastal road that leads you into the car park. The modest clubhouse gives you no clue how special the golf course is. However, the view from the clubhouse certainly gets you excited. Let's play this course and discover its secrets. The first hole is a relatively uninspiring steep, straight up the hill, par 4. But the view from the green makes the walk worthwhile. The course then opens up to a rolling dunescape that's as natural as can be. The third hole has an hourglass-shaped green, and there is a marker on the hill to guide you there. A marker on the fourth guides you to a fairway set in a small valley. The fifth has rocky areas and a small raised green to challenge you. The sixth is a brilliant hole, a par 5 that hugs the border of the loch.
I think that's about the line.
The fairway gradually bends its way around the loch,
Around the bunker. Green
ending at a distant green on the opposite side. There are no shortcuts on this hole. Heather hit a ripper of a tee shot on par 3 7th, but the sloping green made par hard to get. Peter sent his tee shot over the aiming post and way down the hill on 8, where a cliffside green and stunning views of Balnakeil Beach await you. The turquoise water and long sandy beach are not what we expected to see in northern Scotland. Glorious. Then there is the famous par 3 9th to finish your round. You play your tee shot over a rocky landscape at the ocean's edge to a multi-tiered green, protected by bunkers on the right and cliffs on the left. Heather lands her tee shot very close to the pin for an easy birdie.
Looking good. It's on. It's running up to the hole. It's going to go close for birdie. Yoo-hoo. How good was that? Birdie.
Peter puts his 3 metres from the pin and makes his birdie too. What a sweet finish to our 9 holes.
2 birdies.
If we had more time, we would have loved to play the back 9, as the second set of tees looked like they would give a different experience. You could wish that Durness was in a more accessible location, but I think that would take away some of the charm. Durness is definitely worth the drive to get there, and is a travelling golfer must play if you are anywhere within reach.